Let me ask you something. When was the last time you checked your accounts payable? If your answer is I'm not sure, then stick around, because in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how mastering accounts payable can instantly boost your cash flow and build trust with your vendors. First things first, what exactly is accounts payable, AP? Think of it as the money you owe to suppliers for goods or services you've already received but haven't paid for yet. It's a current liability on your balance sheet, meaning it's cash you'll need to pay out soon, usually within 30 to 60 days. For example, if you get an invoice for office supplies and plan to pay it next month, that invoice sits in accounts payable until it's paid off. Now, managing AP isn't just about writing checks, it's a whole process, and getting it right is crucial. Here's how I keep it simple. Step 1, you get an invoice from a vendor. Step 2, you verify that invoice, matching it to your purchase order and delivery receipt. This is called a three-way match, and trust me, it's gold for accuracy. Step 3, someone responsible needs to approve the invoice. Step 4, schedule the payment based on your agreed terms, maybe snagging an early payment discount. Step 5, make the payment, whether it's a bank transfer, check, or online. And finally, Step 6, record and reconcile everything. Make sure those paid invoices are marked settled and match your bank statements. Why go through all this? Because managing accounts payable well does 4 huge things. First, it helps you manage cash flow. Paying bills only when they're due keeps your cash in the bank longer. Second, it avoids late fees and penalties. Third, it builds trust with your vendors, which can mean better deals, faster service, and real business partnerships. And fourth, it keeps your financial reporting accurate and audit-ready. But let's be real, there are challenges. Manual data entry errors and duplicate payments, missed deadlines and messy approval processes, and poor visibility into what you owe. These can all cause big headaches. So what's the fix? I follow a few best practices. Automate as much as possible with accounting software. Set up clear approval workflows. Reconcile vendor accounts regularly. Keep different people handling approvals and payments for extra security. And always take advantage of early payment discounts when you can. And if you want to take things to the next level, OBG Outsourcing is here to help. They offer end-to-end AP management, handling invoice processing, three-way matching, payment scheduling, and even integrating with QuickBooks, Xero, or Zoho. You get custom dashboards, monthly summaries, and more, whether you have 10 invoices a month or 10,000. Bottom line, accounts payable isn't just bookkeeping, it's the heartbeat of your cash flow and vendor relationships. Get it right and watch your business thrive. Want to streamline your AP? Reach out to OBG Outsourcing today and focus on what matters most, growing your business.